So guys, I just wanted to have a nice friendly conversation, because why not? So yeah, I'm a massive fan on airplanes, and I just love airplanes. I've got a massive collection of helicopters from Helicopter magazine, and all of them that I'm about to show you. That's not my whole collection, by the way. I've got more. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. All of them, that's some of my collection. It's not most. That's not all. So yeah, if you want to like and subscribe, you should do. So let's get into a conversation. So my favourite airplane is the Havilland Sea Vixen, which came, I think it was just after the Farragut. It's one of the weirdest airplanes ever. It has, the cockpit is off-centered, so that gotta remember now, it's off-centered to get the navigator out of place, to get the navigator in a small room where he won't be distracted by enemy aircraft, and so he can see all his instrument panels. They call it the black box because you can't see anything out. It's cramped and crowded for a normal flight in a Sea Vixen. It's 3 to 4 hours long, and Sea Vixen is a naval bomber. I don't know what its full payload is, but I know it's a bomber. So my second favourite aircraft is the Avro Shackleton, which actually has my favourite engine in it. My favourite engine is the Double Mamba, which has 2 engines to power 2 propellers. It does this so if you lose power in one engine, it stays exactly the same because it's got 2 propellers. This design was used on 3 aircraft, I think. The de Havilland, I think it was, no, Farragut, the Avro Shackleton, and Supermarine tried to use this design on the Spitfire, but because it was in the 60s, the Spitfire was outdated at that point. Because it was only outdated because I can't remember now. It was outdated because it was transitioning to the jet age, so all the Spitfires were just, I think it was they were all scrapped or sent to museums. So, and then they had the Havilland is also one of the most famous companies. That's why I keep mentioning it, because de Havilland made the Comet, which was the world's first jet commercial airliner. Can't remember what it was named. The Vampire, which was Britain's second jet aircraft. And as you know, actually it was only the second jet aircraft to go into service, but technically it was the 3rd jet aircraft, because before the Meteor you had the Whittle, which was basically the prototype of the jet engine. So all these flights probably wondering, oh, you can see me in my reflection in my glasses. So, all these famous aircraft means that it still creates good aircraft. I think I only know one aircraft that it still produces. That's the Havilland Dash 8, which is used by a lot of flight companies, to go cross countries and stuff, and across the continent, like from England, Germany, or Doncaster Robin Hood Airport to Manchester. It's used by EasyJet, not EasyJet. They use jet engines, jet aircraft. It's used by Flybe, there we go. And it's a very good aircraft. It's got 2 turboprops, and it can carry 70 passengers and some luggage. But if you want to go in a proper aircraft, you should go in a Boeing 747, which I have actually travelled in. They are really reliable, because when I went to Florida the first time, we flew over New York, and there was too much turbulence. So, yeah guys, like and subscribe. Bye.